Looking to add some new recipes to your carnivore diet menu? First up, try a juicy bacon-wrapped meatloaf for a flavorful and filling meal. Or how about some garlic butter steak bites for a simple yet scrumptious dish? For a unique twist, whip up some cheesy bacon-wrapped asparagus. If you're in the mood for something hearty, a beef and bacon chili is a must-try. Don't forget to indulge in some savory bacon-wrapped chicken thighs for a tasty treat. Craving some seafood? Give grilled shrimp skewers a try for a lighter option. If you're a fan of burgers, and who isn't, a bacon-wrapped cheeseburger will hit the spot. Looking for a snack? Try making some crispy pepperoni chips for a crunchy bite. No matter which recipe you choose, these carnivore dishes are sure to impress. Please smash that like button for added content about the carnivore diet. Happy carnivoring, and thanks for listening.